Today we're going hands-on with a true classic, an old-fashioned two-handle faucet that's been dripping non-stop. Droplet might look charming, but that constant drip means it's time to replace the rubber washer inside. Wrench, don't worry. It's a simple fix you can totally do yourself. If you love learning rail repair tips and working with vintage hardware, hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. What's the problem? So, what's the issue? I couldn't shut off the water completely, and that usually means one thing. The rubber washer is worn out. It's no longer sealing properly against the seat, which means constant drips or a steady stream. Tools needed: flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, replacement washers, usually 3/8 or 1/2 inch, plumber's grease, towel or cloth to protect surfaces. Step 1. Shut off the water. First and most important, shut off the water supply before you touch anything. You don't want to create a mess. Step 2. Remove the handle. Now, let's remove the handle. I'm just unscrewing the top screw, but it's been on here for decades, so it's not lifting off easily. That's expected. I'll gently tap it using a pair of channel locks. Just light taps underneath, and there we go. Step 3. Remove the top cap. Next, this top retaining cap needs to come off. I'm using a pipe wrench for this because it grips round surfaces better and gives me more torque. A regular pair of pliers probably wouldn't cut it here. Step 4. Remove the stem. This nut here holds the faucet stem in place. It's crusted with mineral buildup, but with a bit of force, there it goes. Now we can pull out the stem. And look at this. The washer is completely gone. Just a bit of black residue left. That's why the water wouldn't shut off. The washer has deteriorated completely. Step 5. Replacing the washer. To get to the washer, we need to remove this retaining screw and small metal washer. Yours might be stuck, so use vice grips gently. Once off, use a utility knife or pick to pry the old washer out of the cap. Careful not to bend the metal. Step 6. Insert new washer. Now we insert our new rubber washer. I always keep a few sizes on hand, just in case. Place in the cap, press it in snug, and we're good to go. Step 7. Reassemble the stem. Work in reverse. Metal washer goes on, then the retaining nut. Hand tighten first, then finish it off with the wrench. Let's test the movement. Yep, smooth half-turn action like it's supposed to. Step 8. Reassemble the faucet. Now we just put the faucet back together. Thread the stem back into the housing. Apply a little thread sealant before tightening. Reinstall the top cap. Then mount the handle and secure it with a screw. Alright, everything's back in place. Now let's turn the water supply back on and test the faucet. And there it is. Smooth operation and no leaks. Just the way it should be. So there you have it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY plumbing tutorials right here on the channel.